Hey, what's up, YouTube? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I go about buying and selling cars from the auction and how I go about flipping them. Ready? Let's go. Alright, so I'm in the auction now and I'm looking at trying to see what I'm gonna buy, but I'm gonna go over a couple of these cars and show you like pretty much what I look for in a car. So like this one here, you got this act here. Let's see what it is. It's a 2016, a 2002. It got 116,000 miles on it. It's clean. It's super clean. It got a little rust right there on the wheel well. With that, I try to look for something that's kind of clean like this. So this has potential. So yeah, it got potential. You see how clean it is? That's one of the things I look for. It's clean. Then I go to the tires and see what kind of tread is on all the tires. This has good tread, and I just put my finger in there. As long as it got some finger height in there, I'm good, because I know it'll pass inspection. So, and these tires here, they're good so far. Anyway, on this car here. So I look at these. That tire's good. That tire's good. Then I'll go underneath the car and see if it's rusty under there. Make sure there's no holes in the floor. That exhaust is alright, as long as it ain't got no holes in it. So then I'll make sure there's no oil leaks under the bottom, underneath, or no leaks, period. I look at the inspection, see what kind of inspection it is. This needs an inspection, so that's more money. So depending on what I get it for, I turn the car on, listen to the engine, and I don't know if you can hear that, but like it's rattling real crazy under the bottom. It could be something, part of the exhaust or something, but I don't even want to get into this because I'm looking for something that doesn't really have no problems. Something that I can just maybe an inspection or something like that, or something light. But I don't want to get into that car, so I'm gonna pass on that. Yeah, so usually I try to stay in like under 5,000, or really like between like 2,000 and 3,000. But I guess 5,000 is like the sweet spot as far as how much I want to spend on a car. So, but if I see a good flip, pretty much up to $5,000, I'll jump on it. And I just got to do the math and crunch the numbers and make sure that everything is solid. So let's get into another car. Okay, here goes this is a 2014 Ford Focus. I looked at the MMR on this. It's like 4,500, and the Kelley Blue Book said I can get like 50, 58, 5,900. You know, so it looks good, and it sounds good. The engine sounds good. I just started it up. You know, like I said, them tires. I checked the tires. See, tires is all right. Yeah, tires are good. Interior. Interior is real good and nice inside. You know, it's no messed up seats. You know, the floors and everything. The dash is, you know, it's pretty nice inside. You know, so far, you know, I like this car. Not for myself, but for a flip, yeah, I like it. Make sure there's no oil leaks. And on the floor. The engine sounds good. Looks good. It's clean. Look, only got 97,000. Yeah, it looks good. AC is good. Heat is good. Check the blinkers, make sure all the doors, the windows go down. Sure all the doors open. You never know with these auction cars, a whole bunch of shit can go wrong. Let's inspect until next year. I like that. I don't have to get an inspection. So that's one of the things I was kind of looking for. So I can just buy it and bring it right out and pretty much post it up for sale. You know, I don't have to do nothing to it. So now I want to run the codes and make sure that make sure that it's good money. And this scanner that I got is the scanner you want to get. It's cheap. It's from Walmart. It costs like $40 and it gets right to what you need to know about these cars. You know, this is like you want this scanner right here. You just hit that IM and it'll take you right to what you need to know about this car. It gives you, you know, so it has a code on here, but everything is lit up green and the mill is the check engine light's not on. You know, it does have a code, and everything is green, which is good, but it has a code. So I want to see what that code is, and take it for a test drive. So at first let's get into that code. Engine codes, no engine codes, damn, so that means it's a transmission code. That's gonna kill the whole deal. Hold on. Tranny code. That's no good. Okay, so it's a This actually is a sensor on the outside of the transmission. They have a B and an A. I looked it up, so it's not really that bad. So I will still try to get this. So I'm gonna drive it and see how it drives, and just make sure that the tranny's not slipping or anything crazy like that. So let me see, I want to go forward and backwards just to make sure, like, this ain't, so it goes in reverse, so that's good. Alright, so now what I'm trying to do is I just want to feel this shift. If this shifts like it's supposed to, I think I'm still interested in this car. So I want to at least feel it and hear it shift like 2 or 3 times. So let's see if y'all can hear it shift. I'll turn the air down. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it shifted 3 times. I like that. So it's shifting properly. Again, just to hear it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I think I'm interested in this. So, and actually being as though that it has that code, it may go cheaper than that, and that's what I'm hoping for, because I got a shop, I got my own shop and everything, so I'll bring it right to the shop and put it right on the lift and change that sensor, and I'll be done with it. But I like how it drives. Like I said, it's clean. So I think I'm really interested in this car. So if you got something out of it, like and subscribe.